So I let my kitchen get a mess. Not proud of myself, but I've noticed that when I record my videos, it makes me motivated to clean. So I'm gonna show a video of me being held accountable cleaning. Y'all can watch if you want. You don't have to. I hope you do. You want to see the mess first? Maybe if I show you the mess first and then I can, because I started taking the trash out and I was like, maybe I should record it. So let me show you the trash. I'm so embarrassed. I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay. So that's all. I let it go. Yes, I understand. I don't have a door handle on my microwave. Don't judge me. That's a trash bag that you know what? I feel like I'm making excuses right now. I feel like I'm making so many excuses. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna show a time lapse of me cleaning, and hopefully I'll get my house clean, because I can't. Like, whenever your space is clean, like, you just function so much better. So when my hair's done, I feel good. When my kitchen's clean, I feel good. Let's see how this goes. And the clutter is finally gone. Thank y'all so much for helping me clean my kitchen. Recording this video really motivated me to clean, because I was like, I need to post the rest of it. That is my formal dining room over there. I will get to that tomorrow. It's already late. I already took a shower, but I just wanted to show y'all the final product. I was able to clean my kitchen. There's nothing on my counters. Stove is clean. I do need to do something about that microwave handle. Like, it bothers me, and I've tried to tape it back and super glue it back, and it just won't do it. So I need to find like caps or something. But I feel like when your counters are clean, your kitchen is clean. And then this is my breakfast room. This is clean. And I don't like things like, I don't know, like, I'm not really big on like decor on the middle of the table or like all on my counters. I say that, but then look at my fridge. My fridge is doing the absolute most. Like, it's doing the most, but everybody loves it. I love it. It has all of our family pictures on it and just all this really cool stuff, calendar and stuff. But thank y'all so much for sticking with me, and I can't wait to post more.